Morning, guys. Back out in Lucas with this horse barn. Get this mud under control. I showed you where I finished off yesterday. I got all that, everything dug out of there. Still got that underneath the lean-to and inside the barn to get out of there. These piles of dirt. I've got a load of decomposed granite here waiting. I think I got another load coming. But for this morning, I'm gonna get this sand pile moved out of the way, and I'm gonna get all this dirt moved out away and piled up over here so I can finish here around the edges. So let me get you guys set up, and we'll get going moving this stuff around.
What charges? Dodgers. What charges? Dodgers. What charges?
Hey guys, sorry about the video quality. I'm shooting this from my iPhone because battery's dead on the other camera. So as you can see in the background, maybe on the sun, behind my big old fat head, there's a gigantic pile of dirt. All my horse buddies are hanging out with me. But the dry lot and outside the dry lot are all done, ready for fabric and to start going in with the Geocell and the granite. I've still got this side, where's my hand? This side, still got that, needs a little bit of work still. And inside the barn, all this I gotta cut out. My bucket. You see that cut I took out of here. My bucket barely, I mean when I say barely, it's like an 1/8 inch fitting in that door. So it'll fit. I just got to go real slow. So I have to dig out on this side and take it out the other side. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap on today. It was way more dirt than I planned on. Some of these spots, like over here on this side, it was 18 inches of dirt. It's about a foot around in here. It's about a foot underneath that, out there around the edge. I don't even know how much it was. It was a lot. It was a lot of dirt. So, but it's all in there now and all tracked in, ready for landscape fabric. I still got a little bit of, crumbs here and there to pick up. But that's where we're leaving this one today. It is New Year's Eve. I'm going home, and I do not plan on working tomorrow, but take it as it comes. We'll see you guys. Happy New Year's. Peace.